Our PE teachers organize this event every year. It's part of teaching kids a healthy lifestyle. They can get some exercise on their way to school and do it in a safe manner and develop good habits for the rest of their life.
Participating in Walk a Child School Day is so important for several reasons. It's fun, it's exciting, it teaches physical activity, pedestrian road safety, makes students aware of the surroundings, cars on the road, it makes drivers aware of students walking to and from school.
It's something that I believe is so important because we're actually having children get out, be active first thing in the morning, get some of that energy out, hopefully safely get to school in the best way possible with their families. And when they get here, they're ready to learn because their brains have calmed down from all that exercise that they just did in the morning.
I feel it's a great practice because it gives parents the opportunity to still be with their kids as they walk to school, but not only that, it gives our kids the opportunity to get some exercise in before they start their morning.